Oh, better to eat it than be eaten, right? We're gonna try something amazing. Crocodile? Me, I never got it before. Let's try. Don't know if I like. Let's see together. Very healthy. Almost no fat at all. Protein, good lemon. The pan is super hot. The crocodile really needs just to be 2 seconds. The smell already. I had some ginger and some garlic. Good. Okay, good. Finito. Now we make the Pawpaw salad. Some sprouts with more crunchiness. On your right, we love. Inside we have to put the basil, mint, coriander, spring onion, and chili. For the dressing, we need to make a pesto with palm sugar, garlic, coriander root, lime, and fish sauce. Seasoning. Top some cashews, a little bit of coconut. Wow, it's the moment of the truth, eh? Let's try it. Let's go. It's a big one. It got the texture of a pork with the taste of a chicken and a fish. Very good, I'm impressed. I understand why people love it. Let's see the salad. Super fresh. Wow. Tell me what you want me to try next.